Internet marketing made easier because of a reliable affiliate program. When you have an internet business, you face the tough prospect of attracting visitors to your website without breaking the bank. Marketing on the internet is challenging and takes time to achieve results. There are ways to market for internet traffic and stay within a budget. Here we will outline how it can be done. The most important task in internet marketing is search engine optimization and submission. Affiliate programs are what you need to become acquainted with if you are into internet marketing. There are some quality directories and search engines where you can submit your website. By submitting your website to the quality directories, search engines will be able to find your website. Be careful to avoid services promise to submit your website to 75,000 search engines. They often submit your website in such a manner that may result in your website getting permanently banned from search engines. An affiliate program is something that can be confusing when you first hear about it, but after a little research and doing some extra work, you will quickly be on your way to finding yourself a fantastically beneficial job. Only do business with services that submit your website to quality web directories and major search engines. Optimizing your website for search engines is a very important step. To optimize, you need to focus on keyword density positioning for the phrases and words for which you want to rank highly. To help the search engines interpret your pages, you should also use good meta tags. You can optimize your website yourself or search at Google for an optimization consultant. Stay away from those experts charging $1,000 a month or more. They have only one goal, and that is to get as much out of you as possible before you figure out they are not helping you. Stay with SEO consultants who charge a fee more reasonable. Affiliate programs can make it possible for you to have a very wealthy future in store for you. An affiliate program is the main reason that so many businesses have succeeded so tremendously over some time. There are so many things that can be learned from operating an affiliate program, and if you can really take in everything that you can, you are going to be much better off at the end of the day. This could be your time to shine, and you could really earn yourself a substantial income as well, which most of us all really do want anyway. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the link below.